The world is very dangerous place to live, not just because of the people who are evil, but because of the people who don't do anything about it. Hello and welcome. This is Tushar Rathod, and today we are going to discuss about how to handle peoples and about the people skills. I would like to mention one example in front of you. You know that in any company, in any organization, the people who are at the top level are earning in crores and lakhs, and the people who are at the bottom level of the company, who are working really hard and putting their lot of effort, working 9 to 5 or even more than 12 hours a day, still these people are not earning more. They are not earning even 30 to 40,000 per month. But people who are at the topmost level in the organization and the company are earning in the crores. Why? And the answer to this question is just because of the management skills and the people skills they have. That's why they deserve the place, and that's why they deserve the earning at that level. Yes, so today we are going to talk about how to handle people and about the people skills. I would like to give some points to you people from the book called How to Influence People and Win Friends. This book is written by the great author and the best-selling author by Dale Carnegie. So let's begin. Our first point is never criticize. Yes, because if you criticize the people, they will become your enemy. And if you want to criticize any people, then use the one technique to criticize them, and that is sandwich method. You first call them personally, you can meet them personally, and you have to first praise them, you have to first appreciate them for their good work, and then you have to give your true message to them, and again use the sandwich of appreciation. This will work. Yes, and the second tip is never find people mistake in public. Yes, you should never find their mistake, you should never show anyone their mistake, because in this book the Dale Carnegie gives an example of a criminal who was a murderer, but at his last moment of his life, when he was surrounded by police and he was hiding himself in in an apartment, he was it was his last day, but still he wrote a letter. In that letter, he wrote that I was a very kind person and I was helping people out there. But why today police and cops are against him? Yes, he was not accepting his mistakes. See, when the criminals at such a level can't even accept their mistakes, then why you are accepting these from the common people and common employees of yours? Yes, so never find out your anyone's mistake, because it is very dangerous. And the third tip is appreciation. Yes, you have to appreciate each and everyone you are surrounded with. You have to appreciate their work, you have to appreciate their talent, and not and this appreciation should not be common. You have to appreciate in a specific way. You have to appreciate them, their work in a special way. Yes, and the fourth point here is smile. Yes, because smile is the greatest weapon for your all enemies. Yes, in fact, if one smile in your photo, in your click, can make your photo a great, then think about it. If you develop this habit throughout your life, it will make your life really great. So, my dear friends, you have to practice this habit of smiling throughout your life, your entire life. And the last tip I would like to give you from this book is use people's name and don't forget anyone's name, because if you use the people's name, they feel that you remember his or her name, and it is the best feeling to her listen our own name. Yes, remember that the the person's name for him is the sweetest and the most important word for him in any language. Yes, and if you follow these all 5 tips, you will become great at people skills. Thank you.